I need to export all the orders of WooCommerce. So how can I do that? I don't have any export options in the orders WooCommerce orders menu. So we need a plugin. So go to plugins and add new. We'll install a plugin and export all of our data, orders data, and then we can uninstall the plugin. So the plugin name is Advanced Orders Export. So search for the plugin. There is multiple plugins on that order export. So I will use this. This has 336 ratings and active installations. As you can see, a huge number of active installations, so we can use this plugin safely. So click on active, and we can export all of this information, and then we can uninstall the plugin. So if the plugin, as more plugin as you use, your WordPress website will be very slow. So whenever you need a plugin, install it, and after that you can uninstall it when you used your plugins. Okay, so our plugin is active now. Go to WooCommerce and orders, or we can use the export orders. From this menu is coming from the export orders. So as you can see, this is my previous pages. So orders, and there is no export orders option. After plugin installation, I can see export orders. So click on export orders, and I need order status main order accepted, not other. So just delete all this. I need only main order accepted, and my date range is export 10 to the current date. This is the current date. So this is the requirement of my clients. So I don't need any other information to select. So just export it. Okay, and then click on export. Your export is on processing. So our file is export order, and this is in XL file. So do you want to change your files format? So you can change your file format to CSV or any other options. So let's click on CSV and click on export. So now file is there in CSV options. So click on it, and now this file is on CSV and opens in with my VS Code. So I don't need it in VS Code, so I just open the file. As you can see, my orders are installing. So thanks for this watching this video. You can now uninstall this plugin.